Hi, I'm DMAC with VerifyiQ. VerifyiQ is the premier practice management solution for the modern accounting firm using QuickBooks Online or Xero. In this series, we will be discussing how other firms like yours are using VerifyiQ to improve their practice.
In today's video, we will be discussing the new marketing feature contained within VerifyiQ's Enterprise Plan. Now, during this video, I will also refer to the new marketing feature as the branded partner website, since that is what we will be creating during the setup process. In order to set up the branded partner website, please come to the gear icon in the top right, scroll down to Marketing, and then Acuity has graciously allowed us to use their name in the video today, but as you fill this out, it will be with your firm name, your firm's website, your firm's logo, and then we need to give it a title, so free health check provided by, and then what will be displayed after the by is VerifyiQ's logo and your firm's logo. Then add the email addresses for your sales team, and I will show you how to add a sales user in a minute. And then choose the period you want reviewed, so either 1 month, 3 months, or a year. Next is a pop-up box, so we need to fill out the pop-up box. And I believe the first question I have entered here is, would you like to know more about bookkeeping? And then I enter the URL from your firm's website regarding bookkeeping. Next question, need help with cleanup? And then I enter the URL for your firm's website dealing with cleanup. Last but not least, we got to have a joke in here. So I have entered leave me alone, I like suffering, and then linked it to a bunch of funny accounting cartoons. So this is all the information that you need to enter in order to create the branded partner website. Once you have entered this information, please click the Activate button here. And then if you want to take a look at what it's going to look like, click the Preview button. And then you will see the branded partner website between VerifyiQ and your firm. And just as a refresher, if you are seeing this for the first time, the purpose behind this is to allow you to see your potential client's financial information at the beginning of the sales process. Most accounting firms see their client's financial information at the end of the sales process, and we've discovered it's better if accountants can see it at the beginning. That way the discussion about their financials will be more in depth, the quote that you provide them will be more accurate, so you will have all of the information provided by a VerifyiQ review at the beginning of the sales process instead of the end. Now, where you should use this branded partner website is on your own website. I presume on your website you have a Contact Me button in which the potential client can fill out their name, company name, phone number, email address, all the information you need to contact them about the services they need. The idea behind the branded partner website is after your potential client goes through that Contact Me form on your website, then you redirect your potential client to the branded partner website, where they will make a temporary connection with their QuickBooks Online or Xero file. Now your potential client will receive a summary version of the VerifyiQ review, showing them the dashboard and the circles. Your sales team will receive the full VerifyiQ review. So you can see how powerful this new marketing feature is to have your clients' full financial information even before you pick up the phone to return their call after they fill out the contact form on your website. Now, last but not least, let's go back and add the sales user. So I will close this for the moment. And the second tab, Manager and Associates, come over here to the green Invite Team Member button, fill out the employee's name, the employee's code, the employee's email address, and scroll down to Sales User. Now this user type only allows the sales user to see potential client information. It does not allow your sales team to see your active clients. Your active clients are the clients you perform file reviews on a monthly basis. Your potential clients are those clients that are coming through the branded partner website, and your sales team users will only see those clients. The reason to add them as a sales user is it because it protects your potential clients' financial information by having them only within the software. I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you have any questions, please let me know.